Morning guys, it is Friday, May 31st, 2019. We're here in Oneonta, New York. Over here at the Walmart right now, getting ready to head over to our delivery. Gonna make delivery there and then we're gonna go right on home for the week. Thanks for joining me, glad you could be here. Okay guys, it is a pretty nice morning here in Oneonta. We got 71 degrees right now. The humidity is absolutely gone now. It's very nice. We'll probably be over here about an hour, hour and a half unloading. I should be home by about 1:30 at the latest, I would think. Today's video will probably be pretty short, but we'll see. You never know what can happen. Alrighty, well we'll get over here and get checked in with receiving and see how she goes. Okay, we got to get in this dock here. This is the one that's just a little bit tight because of the way they got the fence set up and everything. Got my angle just a hair. You got to be exact getting in this dock. Fix that angle just a little bit. You got to watch that fence. There we go. Gotta be real close on that fence, and as soon as you clear it, you got to swing it in. Okay guys, we are empty here at Oneonta. I've already pulled out of the dock and got my doors closed. I gotta just run back here and check the pins after I slid my tandems. Those are good. And that side's good. Okay guys, I'm gonna head for home. It's not very far away, about 20 miles away, so we're gonna end the video here, and we'll be back again on Monday with another video. We'll be delivering to Painted Post, so I hope you can come back and see me then. Leave me a comment down below, give me that thumbs up, and if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. I put up a new video just about every day, sometimes mostly weekdays, but sometimes on the weekend, so not quite every day, but most days. But I appreciate everybody watching, and come back and see me on Monday. Have a good weekend, folks. Take care.